Let's be honest. Most people are not bad with money because they're lazy or irresponsible. They're bad with money because no one ever taught them how to use it strategically. So today in this video, I'm going to expose the top financial mistakes that smart people make every day and how to fix them before they cost you, your business, your freedom, or your future. Now, before you get bored, let's go. So, mistake number 1, confusing income with wealth. Let's start with this one because it's the most common. Making money is not the same as building wealth. You might be earning 5K, 10K, or even 20K, but if your money is disappearing as fast as it comes in, you're not rich, you're just busy. Wealth is what you keep, not with what you make. That means tracking your net worth. It means watching your lifestyle creep. It means saying no to flexing and yes to freedom building. Mistake number 2, operating without a financial plan. A shocking number of entrepreneurs, even high earners, have no clear financial roadmap. They have no separation between business finances, no emergency fund, no tax plan, no retirement strategy. That's like driving cross country with no GPS and half a tank of gas. So here's a potential fix for you. Building a simple financial structure based on personal budget, business profit and loss, 6-month emergency fund, and automated savings with tax allocation. You don't need a degree, you need discipline and visibility. Number 3 that I see people make, only thinking in monthly terms. Most people budget month to month, and that's fine until your laptop dies, a slow season hits, or taxes hit like a freight train. You need to think in quarters and years, not weeks and weekends. Start asking yourself, what big expenses are coming up in Q3? Do I have enough cash runway for the next 6 months? What's my annual revenue target? And how do I break that down? When you zoom out, you make better decisions based on big picture. You avoid panic mode, and you stop letting short-term emotions dictate your long-term strategy. Mistake 4 that I often see, not paying yourself first. Let me guess. You pay your bills, you reinvest in your business, you cover your team, and maybe, just maybe, at the end of the month, you take whatever's left. You know, that's kind of backwards. You should pay yourself first, like you're your own most important employee. Set up an auto transfer system. Your profit, your personal salary, your savings, your investments. If your business can't afford to pay you, then your business needs to change, not your worth. Mistake number 5 that I see time and time again is ignoring taxes until it's too late. Here's a nightmare. Someone has their best year ever and then gets crushed, absolutely devastated by a $20,000 tax bill they did not even see coming. You need to treat taxes like a monthly bill, not an April surprise. Talk to a CPA, learn about quarterly payments, use automation systems like QuickBooks, Wave, or Xero to track everything. And for my entrepreneurs, always set aside 20 to 30% of every dollar for taxes, period. The IRS doesn't care if you quote unquote forgot. And then mistake number 6, never investing in assets. You can't work your whole life, all right? You need your money to start working for you. And that means investing in things such as stocks, index funds, real estate, scalable offers that you supply, or even licensing, royalties, and digital assets. Stop saying, I'll invest when I have extra. Start with small, consistent, and remain consistent. Because I don't know about you, but I don't want to work till I'm dead. The earlier you start, the less you need later. That's just simple compounding math right there. Compound interest is the closest thing to financial magic. Use it. So, in closing, here's the truth. Most financial problems don't come from a lack of income. They come from a lack of awareness, your systems, your habits. So let's recap a little bit. Income is not wealth. Get a financial plan real quick. Zoom out, think quarterly, think big picture. Pay yourself, prepare for taxes, invest early and often. If you're making any of these mistakes, it's not too late, but you're gonna have to stop hoping your financials will work out and start engineering it to benefit you. Now, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Comment below which mistake hit you hardest today and what do you consistently know you do and what should you change? And you know, money doesn't respond to hope, it responds to strategy. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.